Good morning, Doctor, and good morning, my friends. Thanks for joining our presentation today. We are very glad to share the topic with you. Before we begin, let me introduce our group. We are Group 66 from HFF225. My name is Yu Huiling, and the table below shows our other members. Today, we would like to talk about whether AI can replace human labor. Firstly, let me briefly introduce the background. With the rapid development of technology, AI has gradually penetrated into every aspect of our lives. It brings more and more convenience to our society. In some industries with highly repetitive tasks or high work intensity, AI has indeed brought revolutionary changes. Although AI technology has shown remarkable power in many fields, this doesn't mean that AI can completely replace all aspects of human labor. We have divided this presentation into three parts. My fellow member will follow with a more detailed presentation.
First, in manufacturers, AI-powered robots are trending how things are made. These robots can do the same task again and again with great care. This helps reduce mistakes and makes work faster and better. Next, in healthcare, AI works in three ways: basic, technological, and practical. It helps make medical records, understand heart data using tools like speech recognitions, and use AI machines and searching robots to help patients. Lastly, in stores and warehouses, AI makes work easier. For example, AI-trained robots can find employees' shifts in a warehouse and restock them faster without need to be the expert. This saves time and helps patients to get better.
Hi, Duha here. Let's talk about how AI change repetitive jobs. Of course, the key way is through automations. AI can increase efficiency and lower down operation costs, such as through OCR technologies. AI can clearly and fast track the numbers and digital all the data, such as in financial industries. AI already used for budget project to analyze futures. In China, online shopping and the logistic industry are already full of AI and automation systems, such as Taobao and Huawei. They all built AI and automation in logistic base to sell all the goods. That's integration the supply chains and raise the efficiency 50%. It's bring a lot of benefits. In futures, AI might be show their potential in solve all the complex tasks. Let's looking forward it.
AI's 24/7 service capability is one advantage that AI has over other services, and it's a major reason why AI has been able to make a name for itself in the modern service industry. First, it responds quickly and has the characteristic of uninterrupted service. Second, it's highly accurate, provides standardized service based on training data, and avoids unnecessary human errors as opposed to human customer service. Third, it's facilitates optimal resource allocation by automating a large number of repetitive tasks. AI reduces reliance on labor and lowers business costs. Last, it can support multiple languages and can be embedded into different service platforms, such as web pages, mobile apps, and social media to extend service coverage. To summarize, AI's 24/7 service capability drives the intelligent and digital transformation of the industry, while bringing users a more convenient and satisfying service experience.
Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the relationship between artificial intelligence and emotional intelligence. While AI has made remarkable progress in many fields, it still cannot completely replace humans in areas that require emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills. especially in important fields such like education and psychotherapy. Emotional connection and empathy between people are crucial. For example, in education, teachers are not only the transmitters of knowledge, but also the emotional pillars of students. The Finnish education system emphasizes that teachers should be sensitive to student emotion changes and provide timely help. While AI can provide information, it cannot replace the emotional support of teachers. In the field of psychotherapy, human empathy and emotional connections are key to infancy. Psychologists like Franco help patients through deep emotional reasons. AI can provide some basic psychological support, but it cannot replace the deep role of human crisis intervention and emotional healing. Overall, while AI can improve efficiency, the role of human remains indispensable in areas that require emotional communication and deep understanding.
Hello everyone. Today the title of the creative and the complex decision making. And the AI has the maybe processing in art, science, and the decision making, but it the focus limitations in creative, emotion, and the complex problem solving. It relies on a last night novel ideas. In art AI, it might but lacks the true originalities and the motion depends. Whilst in science, it analyzes it, but the cannot process new high-fives or the factor crosses its comparate breakthroughs.
AI relies on data and algorithms, but basically the data can lead to unfair resource. It also lacks employees and an ability to understand emotions or social context, limiting its application. Lipson pointed to ethical issues such as privacy risks in apps or the difficult choice of self-driving cars, where it's hard for AI to figure out whether the means are the end or the end is the means. This suggests the need for human judgment. AI can help, but it cannot replace human morality. To keep AI fair and ethical, we need human judgments. In this way, we can use AI effectively while remaining ethical. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Fengfeng. I want to talk about how collaboration between AI and human is transforming healthcare. Human excels in creativity and empathy, while AI offers speed and precision. Together, they complement each other to deliver remarkable results. For example, AI in radiology has shown great promise. An algorithm analyzing chest X-ray outperforms radiologists in detecting pneumonia, highlighting AI's potential to process vast amounts of data with incredible accuracy. However, AI is not perfect. It needs human expertise to ensure comprehensive diagnosis and compassionate care. Beyond diagnosis, AI is streamlining hospital process. By creating personalized health insights, AI helps patients with risk assessment, preventive care, and medication reminder. Administrative tasks like scheduling and clinic trial data collection are now more efficient, reducing human error and saving time. This collaboration showcases the best of both worlds. AI enhances efficiency, while humans bring emotion, intelligence, and creativity. Together, they are shaping a future of better patient outcomes and revolutionary medical advancements.
Artificial intelligence development is a process of rapid change in the global job landscape with large-scale impact on the economy and human life. AI is reshaping the meaning of work and injecting life and new changes into the labor market. from creating new job opportunities to change of our future career development. Cross-domain application positions a new force combining industry needs and technology. For example, AI medical experts, smart manufacturing engineers, autonomous driving technicians. The emergence of these new occupations greatly facilitates people's daily life. The continuous progress of AI technology also causes us to think about the future trend of career development. From the following perspectives, firstly, deep integration of technology and industry. Secondly, the demand for interdisciplinary talent is exponentiating. Thirdly, lifelong learning has become a necessity.
Thank you, and next I will briefly summarize the main opinion. In general, we explore the advantages and challenges that AI brings to human society, as well as the unique advantages of combining the two. We firmly believe that AI should not be regarded as a substitute, but as a powerful tool to complement human labor and work together to create a better future. Looking forward to the future, the development prospect of AI is infinitely broad. In this process, we should not only give full play to the potential of AI, but also ensure that achievement of technological developments can benefit all mankind. Realize the harmonious coexistence of technology and society, and create a better tomorrow. This brings us to the end of this presentation. We hope it will be helpful. Thank you so much for your time and attention.
Here's our reference. If you have any questions, you can leave in comment sections. Thank you for your watching, and I hope to see you again. Goodbye.